Students at Sumner College benefit from hands-on training and experiences through the school's clinical simulation lab. I'm joined by Sumner College President Joanna Russell to learn all about it. I'm so excited to hear about these lab experiences.
So what we have here at Sumner College are skills labs. We have high fidelity mannequins for our simulation labs. So they start in the skills lab in term 3. So they'll have a foundation built the first 2 terms with some of the more general types of classes. Once they hit that first fundamentals class, they're in lecture throughout the week, and then they go into the skills lab and start working with groups of up to 6 and 12 in each lab. Once they enter term 4, they're out doing clinical experiences in the field with direct patient care.
Oh, thank you so much for having me out today. I love learning about the program and just love seeing all the work you're doing. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We're so excited to be supporting the community in healthcare.
I know, it sounds so wonderful. And you too can start your nursing career at Sumner College. Learn more at sumnercollege.edu.